Welcome to the Alderwood Adult Day Program. Come on in.
Our Adult Day program is a warm and inclusive space that provides support, care, and activities for adults and seniors living with a cognitive and/or physical impairment. With fundraising dollars, our hope is to make this space even more comfortable and secure by installing a dementia-friendly security system, along with new chairs that provide comfort and mobility support that can withstand high use and frequent cleaning. A new security system will enable our clients to freely move around the program space without risk of wandering outside unsupervised. This is our backyard. It's currently unusable due to a deep culvert. We want to convert this yard into a therapeutic, senior-friendly garden that our clients can enjoy and interact with. With financial support, our vision is to build raised vegetable and flower gardens, a seated area, and wheelchair-accessible wandering pathways.